In this video, I'll be showing you how you can book onto any of our events that we have at Careers and how you can manage them and cancel your bookings on there as well. So the main button here is this one here, which says events, which is the little calendar button here. That shows you how to manage your events here mainly, but I'll be going through that in a bit more detail in a moment. You can click on this little drop down box here and click on events here. Click on book events on this button here, and also search for events this way as well. So for this example, I'm just going to use search and then click on events. Here you'll find all the upcoming events here. It will be after the date, today's date, and it will show all the ones that are available at the moment. You can also type in a date range if you have a date range that you have in mind, location, and the event type as well. If you have a name for for the event that you're looking for, you can also type it in here. So for example, I'm going to look at this one here, which is New Master Students, Your Careers Options. You can see here the date here, the time, and you can see that the location is a webinar, so it's online. There's a little bit of a blurb here as well, which gives me a bit of an idea on what it's about. So I'm just going to click on it in a bit more detail. So here you can see that there's a banner here with all the information on here as well, and then also all the information here. I can click here and book the appointment now, or sometimes it's a little bit at the bottom here. I'm just going to click on book this now. And here there's just a little booking form just to say how you've found out about the event. So I found this browsing MJO, so that's what I'm going to click here and then just click submit. And there you have it, I've booked on there, and it says I've booked onto here. As you can see here, you can also cancel your booking from here. So you can just click cancel booking and it will cancel it. But I'll show you how to do that in the management page in a moment. Going back to the front page, I'll be showing you how to use the management button here. You can see here the event that I booked on earlier. There's a number 1 there saying that I've got one upcoming event coming. So I'm just going to click on this and show you this now. Here you can see that all the ones that I've booked onto. For example, this is the one that I've booked onto just a moment ago. You can see it here. I can find out more details by clicking here or cancelling an appointment here. So if I just do that now, and there you go, it says here that I've now cancelled the appointment. Any appointments that you do have or any bookings for events also do come up here as well. At the moment, as I've cancelled that other one, it's not showing up there, but earlier you would have seen that it would have shown up there. If you do have any other questions, feel free to give us an email at careers@reading.ac.uk or give us a call on 0118 378 8359.